So hello guys, welcome back to today our new video. So we are going to do some important general knowledge questions for IAS exams and other competitive exams. I hope you all would be fine. So let's start. The world's heaviest flying bird is it's Cory bustard. From which flower is the spice saffron derived? It's crocus. What type of root does a dandelion have? It has a tap root. This plant causes delirium, hallucination, and even death. In earlier times, it was used as a tranquilizer. It is henbane. It is an important question which could simply come in the exams. Douglas, Fraser, and Noble are which type of trees? These are fir type of trees. Nutmeg or jaffle mixed with gooseberry relieves are insomnia. The practice of using natural oils extracted from different parts of plants to enhance psychological and physical well-being is called aromatherapy. You all would have listened to this sometime. The habitat of lions, elephants, zebras, and giraffes it should be are, but it is given is it are grassland. You all know. I am a rare wild goat found in the Himalayas. I am a national animal of Pakistan. What am I? It's markhor. It's markhor. Okay, you should know this. You should know every country national animal. The cob and pen are the male and female of this aquatic bird. Name the bird. It's swan. Okay. Nearly half of its habitat is in the eastern Himalayas. The belly and limbs are black in color. The scientific name of the animal is Allergus. Identify the animal. I have already took the answer. It's red panda, but you could see the options. These type of options could be given in exam. So just take a look at the pictures. Done. Our question 12 says, this smallest mammal of the world measures not more than 45 millimeter long. It is found in the lands bordering the Mediterranean Sea. It's koala bear. Koala bear. It's the cutest animal of the all, so you will know. A colt is the young one of. A colt is the young one of a zebra. Okay. Some animals contain both male and female reproductive organs. They are called hermaphrodite. Okay. The microbe responsible for ringworm is fungus. The tissues inside a plant that conduct water from roots to the leaves are called xylem. You all would have learned in your school days that xylem and phloem. The seed coat is formed from its C. Integuments. Which of the following is non-endospermic seed? Which of the following is non-endospermic seeds? It's answer D. Orchids. A true fruit is the one when only a ovary of the flower develops into a root. So it's answer number A. The fruit of rice and wheat is called caryopsis. It's called caryopsis. Question 21 says, an evergreen tree commonly found in India, its bark is used to make a medicine that improves cardiac muscle function and pumping action of the heart. It's called Arjuna tree. So thank you for today, and we will meet in our next class of these important questions. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.